Okay, now we're getting ready to wet test this saw. When you're filling your oil into the box, you just want to surpass your oil past the curve of the rim of the blade at the bottom. And that's all the oil you need. Otherwise, you overfill it and it becomes quite the mess. So, you want to make sure that you have your safety chain in place, because you want to adjust that in case you walk away from your saw and it'll automatically shut off. Secondly, you want to make sure you got the lubricant inside your gear, your worm and ring gear box. You don't want to run that dry. And then thirdly, make sure all your belts are properly tightened. The motor, your feed, and your motor. Now you're ready to set your rock. Start your wet test. The things you'll be looking for as you're wet testing is any oil leaks coming out of any of your bolts, your mounting bolts, or your way rails, your feed arbor, your main arbor for the blade, and the back of the hood, hinge mounts. And your back of your way rail mounts. That concludes this video. Thank you.